QuickBooks Online Advanced is the only online plan that includes the online backup and restore feature at no additional cost. This feature helps you maintain backups of your company's info, so you can undo changes and fix mistakes. Let's go over how to restore your company to a previous date and time. Go to Settings and select Backup Company. To restore your company to a previous point in time, select Restore, then New Restore. Select the company from the drop-down, date and time you want your company to go back to. Then enter Agree here. Select Next. QuickBooks runs a quick check to see if your company is ready to restore. You may see some tasks you need to perform before you can restore your company. Select the link next to the task, and QuickBooks takes you to where you can do it. Once you've done everything, select Check Again. If you don't see any more issues, select Start Restore. It can take some time to restore your company. The more data a company has, the longer this process takes. It's important to note that you shouldn't do anything in your company while QuickBooks restores your data. You'll know QuickBooks has finished restoring your data when you see this message. That's when it's safe to jump back in and work with your company again. You can always select Restore to look up past restores or check in on one that's in progress. Now you're ready to restore your company file to any point in the past.